What's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of AI, but not just any AI. We're talking about the AI tools that could potentially boost your bank account in 2025 and beyond. We're exploring everything from smart investments to automated side hustles, all powered by the latest and greatest AI tech. This channel is all about giving you the skills and knowledge to thrive in this rapidly changing world, and AI is definitely at the forefront of that change. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an entrepreneur, or just looking for ways to level up your financial game, this video has something for you. But before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. And while you're at it, drop a comment down below and let me know what other AI tools you're curious about. I'm always down to explore new tech and share it with you guys. First up, we've got AI investment advisors. Now these aren't your grandpa's financial advisors stuck in the Stone Age. We're talking about sophisticated algorithms crunching massive data sets to identify investment opportunities that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Imagine having a 24/7 financial analyst in your pocket, sifting through market trends, analyzing company performance, and whispering stock tips in your ear. That's the power of AI investment advisors. Platforms like Mention Specific Platform 1 and Mention Specific Platform 2 are already making waves in this space, offering personalized investment strategies and portfolio management tools. But hold on, before you go all in, remember that even the smartest AI can't predict the future with 100% accuracy. The market is a volatile beast, and there will always be risks involved. Think of these AI advisors as powerful tools in your arsenal, not magical money printing machines. Do your own research, understand the technology behind it, and consider consulting with a human financial advisor before making any major investment decisions. Next up, let's talk about automated trading bots, the tireless workhorses of the AI-powered trading world. These bots operate on the principle of algorithmic trading, meaning they execute trades based on pre-programmed instructions and market analysis. Essentially, you set the parameters and the bot takes the wheel, buying and selling assets on your behalf, 24/7, even while you're catching some Z's. Now, the idea of passive income generated by bots trading crypto or stocks sounds incredibly alluring, and for some it's becoming a reality. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility and potential risk. The crypto market, especially, is known for its volatility, and even the most sophisticated bots can't completely eliminate risk. Before you unleash a bot on your hard-earned cash, it's crucial to thoroughly research different platforms like Mention Specific Platform 1 and Mention Specific Platform 2. Understand the fees involved and start with a small amount of capital that you're comfortable potentially losing. Now let's shift gears from the financial markets to the world of content creation. AI is rapidly changing the game here, with tools that can generate everything from blog posts and social media captions to video scripts, maybe even this one, who knows. Imagine being able to pump out high-quality content at lightning speed, reaching a wider audience and potentially monetizing your creations. Tools like Mention Specific Tool 1 and Mention Specific Tool 2 are already being used by creators to streamline their workflow, overcome writer's block, and even translate their content into different languages. But here's the thing, AI content creation tools are still in their early stages. While they can be incredibly useful for generating ideas, crafting outlines, or even writing entire drafts, they often lack the nuance, creativity, and emotional depth that makes human-generated content truly stand out. The key is to use these tools as assistants, not replacements. Let them handle the heavy lifting while you focus on adding your unique voice, personality, and expertise to the final product. Chapter 4, AI-powered market analysis, seeing the future of business. Moving on to the business world, AI-powered market analysis tools are becoming indispensable for companies of all sizes. Imagine having access to an AI analyst that can sift through mountains of data, identify emerging trends, analyze consumer behavior, and predict market shifts with remarkable accuracy. That's the power of AI market analysis. Platforms like Mention Specific Platform 1 and Mention Specific Platform 2 are already providing businesses with the insights they need to make informed decisions about product development, marketing campaigns, and overall business strategy. But remember, the business world is dynamic and constantly evolving. Relying solely on AI-generated insights without considering external factors, human intuition, or the potential for black swan events can be risky. The key is to use AI market analysis as a guide, not a crystal ball. Combine the data-driven insights with your own business acumen, experience, and understanding of your target market to make the best decisions for your company. Chapter 5, AI, Personal Finance Manager, your personalized money maestro. Now let's bring it back to personal finance with AI Personal Finance Managers. These intelligent assistants go beyond basic budgeting apps, acting as your personal CFO, monitoring your spending habits, identifying areas where you can save, and even automating your investments. Imagine having an AI that knows your financial goals inside and out, nudging you to make smarter spending choices, and guiding you towards financial freedom. Apps like Mention Specific App 1 and Mention Specific App 2 are at the forefront of this trend, offering personalized financial advice, bill payment reminders, and even fraud detection features. But before you hand over the reins to an AI, remember that personal finance is, well, personal. Your financial goals, risk tolerance, and life circumstances are unique to you. Treat AI Personal Finance Managers as tools to empower you, not replace your own financial judgment. It's crucial to review your financial plan regularly, adjust it as needed, and consult with a human financial advisor if you have complex financial situations. Chapter 6, AI E-commerce Optimization, Boosting Sales with AI Smarts. For all you e-commerce entrepreneurs out there, AI e-commerce optimization is a game changer. Imagine having an AI that can personalize the shopping experience for each customer, recommend products they're most likely to buy, and even optimize your pricing strategy to maximize profits. Platforms like Mention Specific Platform 1 and Mention Specific Platform 2 are already helping businesses of all sizes leverage the power of AI to increase sales, improve customer satisfaction, and stay ahead of the competition. But remember, the success of any e-commerce business goes beyond just implementing the latest AI tools. Focus on building a strong brand, creating high-quality products or services, and providing exceptional customer service. Think of AI e-commerce optimization as the turbocharger, not the engine itself. Chapter 7, AI Customer Service Bots. The future of happy customers? Finally, let's talk about AI customer service bots, the friendly, hopefully faces of AI in the customer service world. These bots are becoming increasingly sophisticated, handling customer inquiries, resolving issues, and even providing personalized recommendations, all without human intervention. For businesses, this means increased efficiency, reduced costs, and 24/7 customer support. For customers, it can mean faster resolutions and more personalized interactions. Platforms like Mention Specific Platform 1 and Mention Specific Platform 2 are already being used by companies across industries to enhance their customer service operations. But let's be real, we've all had our fair share of frustrating experiences with chatbots that just don't get it. The key is to design AI customer service bots that are genuinely helpful, empathetic, and capable of handling complex issues or seamlessly transferring them to a human agent when needed. The future of AI and your wallet. So there you have it. 7 AI tools that have the potential to revolutionize the way we invest, work, and even manage our personal finances. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, AI is creating opportunities for anyone willing to embrace the future of technology. Remember, AI is a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on the skill and intention of the user. Do your research, experiment, and don't be afraid to iterate until you find what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.